Take command of the road in the 2007 Toyota Sequoia. It features an automatic transmission, rear-wheel drive, and a powerful 8-cylinder engine. Top features include front dual-zone air conditioning, front and rear reading lights, one-touch window functionality, a tachometer, skid plates, and power seats. Passengers in the third row enjoy seat-back reclining functionality, providing an extra level of comfort and convenience. Toyota ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as head curtain airbags, front and side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Various mechanical systems are monitored by electronic stability control, keeping you on your intended path. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.